The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in a real sense is areas of strength for truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 64 cents, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo really is drifting at $1,991,537 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo fundamentally acquired around 1.07% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, showing how Nexo certainly acquired roughly 1.07% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. 01 November 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified some things, facts, what all things considered, is momentary cost expectation for Nexo, basically is Nexo a kind of wise interest in and in every way that really matters, huge way. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, certainly let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,274,197,578,029, which basically is very huge. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $38,276,473,690, genuinely further appearance how 01 November 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What essentially is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Nexo, for the most part is Nexo a very wise interest in an all things considered, enormous way. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how Nexo basically acquired roughly 1.07% inside the very most recent 24 hours, showing how Nexo generally acquired around 1.07% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, which really is very critical. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,442.45 level after a vertical development of 0.09%, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.17%, coming to $1,804.27 during the past 24 hours, showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges closed 64 cents, or so they most certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.77, following a value change of 1.19% within a similar time span, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, really is up by 4.86 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a huge way. These occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in a genuinely descending heading for pretty present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a huge way. Right now, a fundamentally broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a significant way. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become substantially more genuinely dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending course for most certainly present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants sort of become move pretty dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The by and large current Nexo value, sort of is 64 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,991,537 in the sort of beyond 24 hours in a kind of enormous manner. Presently, Nexo essentially is up by 1.07% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $357,551,703 United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 01 November 2023, inside an all things considered, everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, which really is genuinely huge. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving extremely normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Nexo, which especially is genuinely huge. The Nexo especially has especially break all its basically upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking very great for the crypto market in every practical sense. Further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo generally is drifting at $1,991,537 in a fundamentally significant manner. Presently, in every practical sense, bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Nexo cost underneath the critical help level of 82 cents, showing that right now, really bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Nexo cost beneath the urgent help level of 82 cents, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and generally is attempting to sort of break out of the impartiality zone, or so they basically thought. While Nexo's Williams %R marker truly is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, commonly signal in every practical sense, is conceivable at this reach. Which certainly shows that Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 01 November 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line by and large is remaining above of the genuinely signal line after a kind of certain hybrid, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,442.45 level after a vertical development of 0.09%, which especially is very critical. Nexo financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, showing how these occasions really demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a for the most part descending heading for sort of present moment, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The Nexo market truly is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers especially can possibly drive costs of the digital money essentially higher in the sort of next truly couple of days, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost of Nexo fundamentally is supposed to sort of break over its obstruction level